Okay.
Yo, bro, you want to
Yeah.
explore that abandoned building over there? Apparently it's spooky and I want to go explore. Are you
Oh,
down?
hell no.
So, you coming or what?
No.
Why?
Because I don't want to be haunted by a ghost.
But you're not going to be haunted by ghosts. Anyway, look what I have. 2 flashlights and 1 bat.
Okay. Okay,
So, you down now?
yeah.
Well, come on, let's go.
So this building?
Yep.
Okay.
Yo, this place
Okay.
is giving me the creeps, man.
I
I
know,
do
right?
not
What
like
is this?
Dude? What? Dude? The hell? What? Dude, this isn't funny. Dude, can you actually stop? You're starting to freak me out. Oh no. What the hell is that? What the is that? Get the hell off! Piece of shit. Rotten hell.